You can see how long it is, how long the brush is in front of the chicken tractors. And some of this is kind of high brush. Let me walk back here to the back of the chicken tractors and let you see what they leave in their wake. And there's kind of nothing. After we run the chicken tractors over the brush, it looks like that. So he moves them every day. I mean, they just demolish the brush. And then he just keeps moving them so you can see where they've been. And then the further you go this way, the more. So we're just following where they've been every day. And then we get to about here, and you're like, okay, I can see green. Yeah, I can hear you guys too. And it gets greener and greener. And then about here, you can see that they must have been here, but you can no longer tell exactly where they've been. So it doesn't take them that long before it looks like that again. This tractor right here is headed for this patch. Like I said, they'll knock it down within a day. This tractor was here yesterday.